welcome back to my channel. Tomorrow, if this video comes out on time, is Mother's Day, and I have left it to just about the last minute to make my mother something special for Mother's Day. But I just thought, maybe I should share these humble ideas with the internet, because maybe someone out there is going through the same thing that I'm going through, and you also forgot that you need to plan a few weeks in advance if you want your Mother's Day present to turn out spectacular. A Mother's Day present is still a Mother's Day present, regardless if you give it to her on Mother's Day, and that's all I'm gonna say. With that being said, let's get into the first gift idea.
To get things started off, our first DIY is a hand-drawn card. So you're gonna wanna get your basic supplies. I really recommend getting thick paper, the kind that sounds like that. And once you have that ready, you can just fold it over and make sure to really get some nice creases on there. I like to use scissors for that part to make sure that it gets all nice and creased down. After that, you're gonna wanna look up some designs. If you're not a good artist like myself, I like to typically copy things off the internet because, well, what can I say? I'm kind of original like that. Add some finishing touches and you're done. So I'll admit, propagating succulents probably takes a couple days or even weeks to properly do, but like I said, a Mother's Day present is still a Mother's Day present, even if you turn it in a little late. What you're gonna wanna do is take a piece of a succulent, typically a little leaf or node like this, and continue to break off some of the leaves so that you have individual little future succulents, pretty much. You could even keep it pretty whole on the top, but leave a place for it to kind of callus over. I'll put a picture here. But yeah, once they start to root, you'll want to put them in succulent soil and continue to spray them with a little bit of water to make sure that they start to sprout roots. Once you have all that done, you could put it in a little pot of your choosing. I have this little one from Amazon that wasn't so expensive, and you could paint it however you like. This next gift idea works out really great if you live near an area where there are a lot of flowers and people won't mind if you pick them. I highly recommend bringing a pair of shears with you, just so that if you're picking something like with thorns, you can avoid the risk of getting stabbed by any of them. Another great idea, if you don't have a basket to put your flowers in, you could always wrap them up in newspaper, and that also looks really, really nice. Truth be told, I actually don't know how to embroider, but I think it's actually a really cute idea for a Mother's Day gift. You could do her initials, or you could even put a little Mother's Day saying on it. Now for the ideas that I don't have B-roll for. You could clean the house, or you could make her chocolate dipped strawberries, or you could cook/bake for her, depending on what she likes. And last but not least, you could paint her a rock. Now that you have all your gifts for your mother, you want to package it up nicely, present it to her in a beautiful way. So I'm just taking some tissue paper and I'm putting it into this little basket that I got from the Dollar Tree. Ahead of time, I was able to order her earrings that she really wanted, so I put that in there as well as the card, and hopefully later on this week, I will be able to put the succulent in there for her, because a late gift is still a gift. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if any of these ideas helped you out, be sure to let me know in the comments down below. That being said, I hope you guys have a great Mother's Day tomorrow. Be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, wherever they are at this point. I still haven't memorized it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next one. Take care.